Today we're drawing
an Animal Crossing face. Yes, because we learned how to draw eyes, noses, mouths, and hair. 2 episodes just dedicated to hair, right? And so we're gonna use all of those learnings to create our Animal Crossing character head. So Mia and I are gonna draw different things here, but you can join us and bring the different Animal Crossing facial features that you drew and make your own. So let's get started. For this one, yeah, I'm gonna start with a shallow bowl shape. And I'm going to draw my wavy hair. What kind of hair are you gonna pick?
Ponytail.
Oh, the ponytail one? That one's cute. Yeah, if you check out our other videos, we picked out which one our favorite ones were and which one we already sort of used for our characters. What happened? It became a mushroom head again! Like Toad. So cute. And I like that you just kind of go with the flow, Mia. This one is my wavy hair look. I have lots of big curves and wavy lines. Do you remember everything about the eyes that we drew too? Which facial feature was the most fun to draw?
Eyes.
Eyes. Yeah, I like the eyes episode too. Should we ever draw a body for our characters?
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe one of the things we do later is drawing the rest of the body and figuring out what clothes we're gonna put on them.
Should we are long friends? Should we?
Yeah.
Did you say yes or did you say no? I think you said yes.
I think Mia says yes. I picked gray as my hair color.
Your hair color in Animal Crossing is usually blue.
Yeah, but that doesn't come with the starter pack, I don't think.
Oh, yeah.
It's the fancy advanced pro pack or something.
Yeah.
You're done? Should we decorate the rest of our page at all?
Yeah, we should.
Art Along Friends, share with us what you draw for your own personal character on Instagram at Peaslyco.
So we can see what you drew. I'm actually really curious of what they drew, actually.
What everybody else looks like, right? Yeah. I like that you're making it really thick too. Your rainbow colors.
Yeah.
Because before you used to make it thin.
Yeah, I used to go. Done.
Yeah, that's actually a different way of drawing with thin versus thick lines, right? Those are different lines. Wow. Lots of clouds and decorations and everything. Are you almost done?
Almost.
Oh, stars. I think I'm gonna have fun drawing lots of different versions of me, actually.
Just got the color.
Yeah. After this, I might draw a few different other versions too.
Okay.
And remember, there's also that advanced hairstyle kit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that might be fun to learn too. Art Along Friends, stay tuned for more videos from our channel. We might come up with something fun, even more fun. There you have it, a Animal Crossing face.
Like and subscribe to Art Along for another video just like this one.
See you soon.
Bye.